Hello everybody. So this is gonna be my 3 months update video. So in this video I'm gonna show you all my accounts and my progress on Wealthsimple Trade. So here it is. So in my RRSP account I deposited $20,000 in 3 months and I gained about $600. And these are my accounts in RRSP: Ambridge, Fortis, HNR, HXQ, MFC, Ryokan, TD, VDY, VFE, VGRO, XEI, XIC, XIT, and XUU. And in my TFSA, I deposited $1,500 and I gained $141 in 3 months. So far so good. So I have only 5 transactions in here: VFE, VDY, Ryokan, HNR, and Ambridge. And this month I received quite a lot of dividends. So if you want to see that, activity filter dividends, so you can see this month I received about $40, I guess, from VDY, VGRO, VFV, Ryokan, and VFV again, Ryokan, HNR, XIC. So dividends part in this month has been great. So other than that, I didn't buy a lot, but I think what I bought. So in this month, yes, I bought some VDY and Manulife at these prices, and yeah, that's about it. I just deposited $2,000 this month because of the US elections. People been saying it's gonna be crazy after that, so I'm not gonna deposit anything until then and see what happens and see how people react. And so far I have like $1,000 in this account that I haven't used. So in this month I didn't make much progress, but I'm learning quite a lot. And uh, so what I'm learning, a lot of people are saying that the US elections are like it's gonna be crazy this year. So I'm not really know much about politics, but all the finance people are just scared. So I just gonna see what happens, then I'm gonna make my other plans. And so far I'm gonna stick to my plan and not gonna deposit anything else. And if you want to see all the data in here, uh, I'll show you my progress in my sheet. So you can see I deposited $21,500 so far and I gained about $744. That's been great. In 3 months I made this much money. I like it. And you can see all my ticker symbols on the left, and you can see all my gains percentage and the amount. So far I'm gaining a lot of money, but I'm losing some money in Ryokan, Ambridge, and yeah, that's about it, and some MFC. But other than that, everything is good. So this is my pie chart if you want to see how much I have in everything, and I'll show you my dividends. So last month I received $46, and there was a gain of $29 from previous month. And in this month it's already October 12th, Monday, and I already received $49 this month, which is a gain of $3, 6% this month. And altogether I got $127 in dividends in 3 months. It's my fourth month actually. 3 months already been happened. And so I like it, the dividend part. I like it a lot. And if I keep getting like $40-50 and I keep depositing it back, it's gonna keep increasing. So I don't really need this money, so maybe I'll keep just depositing and put on the side. Mm, and after the election I'm gonna buy something But if you want to see every ticker symbol that gave me dividends this month, so in first month July I just received $15.17, and after that in August I received $16.41. September has been nice, so in that month I received $46, and you can see all the ticker symbols and the amount which I received. And in this month I already received $49, which is nice because I wasn't expecting that much, and I still have to receive XEI and TD Bank this month, so it's gonna be like $25 more. So in this month, I think I'm gonna be close to $75, and I think that's a lot, and I like that. So maybe next month it's gonna be better than that as well, but I'm not really sure because some of my dividends are paid quarterly, and I think this was the month that they pay, and we'll see next month. For this month, um, I already received $49, and I like this a lot. And so far you have seen everything that I have been doing. If you like it, just like it. If you have any um, tips for me, if you think I'm doing something wrong, please put in a comment over here, and I'll read it, and I might reply to that as well. And that's all I have been doing. And for my experience, like 3 months experience with Wealthsimple, it's been great. Actually, I didn't have any problems so far. I have some Facebook groups that say Wealthsimple is trash, but for free, I don't think it's a problem, because if it has something, because I'm a long-term investor, right? I'm just gonna put my money in and hold. That's it. Some people, they want to make quick buck, and that's why they don't like it, because they say their transaction doesn't go through. But it never happened to me. I just do 1 or 2 transactions, sometimes a week, sometimes a day, uh, and that's about it. So Wealthsimple has been very helpful, and it's quite easy to use. And I'm not really sure about Questrade. We haven't used it, but they still have like $4.99 for like one transaction, which I don't want to pay. And maybe in future I'll go there, but so far I like it. And this is it. And I'll show you my next month progress after a month. And hope you like it. Enjoy your life, man.